Good morning, children. Today we will continue with from page 130. Okay, Cordova, please share with us some of your memorable experience while you were on your Everest expedition. So, what is the question asked? That Arunima have to share her memorable experiences. Arunima, I will certainly share some experiences of my Everest expedition with you. As we climbed, night began to fall. We put on our headlights and looked around us. The sight that we saw can never be forgotten. There were dead bodies lying all around. Such a sight is enough to break a person's confidence and willpower. When you see a person who tried for the same goal as you are aspiring to achieve dead while trying to achieve it, believe me, the confidence in you gets really shaken and is sometimes enough for you to abandon your goal. Okay, so what is Arunima telling? Ki, as we climbed, the night began to fall. Okay, so they have to put on their headlights. You must all have seen the mountain climbers, how they climb. On the forehead, they have the cap in which the light is there so that they can see all around. Okay, so what is Arunima telling? That there were dead bodies lying all around. ओके तो अपने आजू बाजू सब जगह डेड बॉडीज ही थे, मतलब ऑब्वियसली बहुत जनों ने ट्राई किया होगा ये सेम गोल अचीव करने के लिए, राइट? तो व्हाट इज अरुणिमा टेलिंग कि इतने सारे डेड बॉडीज को देख के कोई भी पर्सन का जो कॉन्फिडेंस और विल पावर होता है वो टूट ही जाता है. ओके, व्हेन वी सी द पर्सन who have tried to achieve the same goal what we want to achieve, okay, जो हम लोग को गोल अचीव करना है वही गोल ये लोग जो मर गए हैं वो लोग को भी वही गोल अचीव करना था, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं कर पाए और वो लोग मर गए. ओके, सो ये देख के किसी का भी कॉन्फिडेंस हिल जाता है. ओके, शेक हो जाता है. तो और एक बार मन में ये आ ही जाता है कि चलो छोड़ देते हैं ये गोल, हम लोग को अचीव नहीं करना है. सो देयर वर सम पीपल इन माई ग्रुप हु बैक्ड ऑफ आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट. आई स्टूड देयर फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स अनडिसाइडेड एज टू व्हाट टू डू, बट माई गोल, माई पैशन, and I decided to go ahead. I promised myself that I would climb Everest for all those who had given up their lives for Everest and would return alive, and I did it. Okay, so what is she telling? Ki there were many people in her group who backed off after seeing this incident. But what did she do? She stood over there for a few minutes. Okay, undecided, मतलब वो decide नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि क्या करना है. But my goal was my passion. Okay, वो मेरा passion था and I decided to go ahead. आई प्रॉमिस टू माई सेल्फ. ओके, उसने अपने आप से प्रॉमिस किया है कि शी वुड क्लाइम एवरेस्ट एंड शी विल रिटर्न अलाइव. ओके, एंड शी डिड इट. ओके, सो उसका कॉन्फिडेंस इतना फर्म था, उसका पैशन इतना फर्म था. ओके, और उन्होंने जो अपने आप से प्रॉमिस किया है कि शी विल क्लाइम एंड शी विल रिटर्न ऑल्सो अलाइव, एंड शी डिड इट. Cordova, you have been a part of Eco Everest expedition. Please elaborate why this expedition has been named so. This expedition has been named so because during this expedition we had to clean that area. Cleaning means we did not have to leave anything there, pick up what we could and bring it back. From Camp 1 till the summit, there are lots of things like oxygen cylinders, flags, wrappers and cans lying. This is the garbage that is accumulating there. We picked up as much as we could and brought it back. Okay, Eco Everest expedition means cleaning. Okay, so cleaning and bringing it back to their camp. Cleaning means not to leave anything over there. Whatever they find ki that is the waste, okay, and it has to be thrown into the garbage, they bring it back to from summit, means from peak to their camp. Okay, you have been termed a miracle. The spotlight is on you. How do you feel and how do you react to this? What is a miracle? When someone discovers his or her unique quality and moves on, step ahead of the ordinary, the person is termed extraordinary or a miracle. So it is up to you to decide whether you want to be a miracle that is extraordinary or just ordinary. It is a fact that I feel elated when people call me miracle. So what is the question? Okay, you have been termed as a miracle. So what is Arunima answering to this? What is a miracle? When someone discovers his or her unique quality. Okay, means अपने अंदर की जो unique quality होती है, if we discover that quality and move on and step ahead of the ordinary, means अगर अपनी ordinary capacity से if we move further, okay, then the person is termed as extraordinary. And when you do something extraordinary, people call you miracle. Okay, so it is up to us that what we have to do. We have to decide that we want to become ordinary or extraordinary. Okay, so that is up to the different person, that what they have to do. There is nothing called miracle, but if you do something extraordinary, the people call them miracle. Okay. What is your message for the young generation today? Today's youth is my generation. Hence, I can identify with them. I feel today's youth have no idea of their goals, though. They seem to be constantly wanting to achieve their goals and targets. They are running after too many things. My sincere advice to them is select a goal, one goal at a time, and work dedicatedly towards it. Okay, so what is the message from Arunima to the young generation? That what is she feeling? She is feeling that today's youth have no idea for their goal. Means what they want to achieve, they don't have any idea. It is not decided. They want to achieve so many things at one time. Okay, so that is wrong. So what is she advising? He select one goal at a time and work towards it. Okay, dedicatedly towards it. What inspired you to title your autobiography Born Again on the Mountain? This is the truth. My life is a gift of the mountains. If I had not climbed the mountains, I would never have become known to the world. The mountain have given me the new life, a life full of courage, willpower and confidence. Okay, so Arunima have written her autobiography and the name was given Born Again on the Mountain. So why this name was given? Okay, because the mountains have given her new life. Okay, because of the mountain she was known to the world. Okay, otherwise तो कोई उसको जानता भी नहीं था पहले, और अगर बाद में भी वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करती तो भी कोई नहीं जानता, right? But because she did something extraordinary, that is why the world is knowing her. Okay, and that extraordinary, how she was inspired from the mountains. Okay, so that is why she has given her autobiography this name. Okay, and this mountain have given her the new life, the life which was full of courage, willpower and confidence. So at last, what is Cordova telling? We are thankful to you, Arunima, for sharing your most memorable moments with us and inspiring us to move ahead and make even the impossible possible. Okay, so what is the message? The success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage that counts. Okay, मतलब अगर courage होगा तो anything you can achieve in life. Courage, एक willpower and एक firm determination. Okay, these three things are, if they are in your life becomes successful and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. Means nothing is impossible. Okay.